Fortress Safety is a trusted partner in creating safer and more productive ASRS environments. Our configurable interlocking solutions for ASRS are designed with flexibility in mind, providing options that can be tailored to the requirements of each facility. This includes head modules compatible with self-closing doors and guard locking functionality for enhanced personnel safety. Key operated switch for automatic manual mode selection, available at the panel or at the door. Escape release for quick exit in case personnel becomes trapped inside the aisle. There are also various options to increase operational efficiency, such as integrated controls to improve user efficiency and streamline operations. In addition, the ProNet module enables seamless integration with various communication protocols. It is also possible to manage personnel permissions and controlling access via RFID cards. Fortress is the ideal choice to enhance ASRS safety, offering cutting-edge interlocking solutions featuring all the necessary functions to protect personnel while ensuring operational efficiency. Visit our website to find out more, or contact a member of our team